Hello students, welcome to the tutorial for your geometry quiz on Friday, January 19th. So to start, as you can see on the screen here, it says the do now question. Right question, answer with two complete sentences. You can put this on your do now sheet for Wednesday, Thursday. How are special right triangles and Pythagorean triples helpful when dealing with right triangles? So pause the video for a second and think about that. Okay, hopefully you came up with the solution or the answer to that question, which is there's shortcuts. Special right triangles, Pythagorean triples, are shortcuts when dealing with common right triangles. So the answer to my question, how are special right triangles and Pythagorean triples helpful when dealing with right triangles? They're helpful by giving us a shortcut when dealing with common right triangles. Okay. Next, here's the first question we went over for your review. This question can be answered as so. Carol started here, drove east 1 kilometer, north 4 kilometers, and then east again 5 kilometers. Okay, so we've got east 4, north 4, east 5. They've drawn this dotted line here. So basically what you should see is you've also got to realize that you can draw right triangles to help you solve problems. In this case, if I draw this right triangle, then I'm able to use that to find this value. The question says how far is their starting point from their end point. So in this case, that would be the hypotenuse of this triangle. Well, this length, we know by adding 1 kilometer, 5 kilometers, this is 6. And we know that this is 4, because that's how far she went north. So we'd use 6 squared plus 4 squared gives us the square root of 52. And the square root of 52 is approximately 7.2 kilometers. So we would just use a right triangle we drew with that distance between start and end as the hypotenuse, and then use Pythagorean theorem to solve. Special right triangles. Special right triangle you see on your screen is a 30, 60, 90. Remember, the 30, 60, 90 is like that, with the side opposite of the 30 being the short side, represented as x, the side opposite the 60 being the long side, represented as x on the square root of 3, and the hypotenuse is going to be 2x. Okay, and for this problem, we've got the long side is 12, and we want to find the hypotenuse. So to go from long side to short side, we would divide by square root of 3, so the short side here would be 12 over the square root of 3. We can leave it as that for now. And we'll just double this amount, or multiply by 2 to get the hypotenuse. So that would be 24 over the square root of 3. As we said before, this isn't the best way to write our answer. So we'll multiply by square root of 3 over square root of 3. A fraction equal 1. And we get 24 on the square root of 3 over 3. And 24 divided by 3 is 8 on the square root of 3. That would be the answer for your hypotenuse. 8 on the square root of 3. So important to remember 30, 60, 90s. The side opposite the 30 is always going to be x, or your base unit. And then to get from the short leg to your long leg, you multiply by square root of 3. Sometimes you have to do that in reverse, though. Okay? And so that brings us to our cheat sheet for tomorrow. The cheat sheet, I think this is all going to be mirror. So I'll tell you what, I'll take a picture of that and put that in the end. So that was the review, and this cheat sheet will be on the board, and I'll also take a picture of that and post that on this post. Thank you for watching. Hope you are prepared.